Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Well, today I received a little gift that I just got, and I wanted to share it with you, and I'm going to unbox it today, but it came fresh. I haven't even looked at this. I will tell you this right now, that I felt the package and it feels like it's smashed right here, so it didn't come packaged very well, I don't think. But let's go ahead and open what we got. And of course, if you saw the thumbnail, you probably already know what this is. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we have here. All right, it's the Darth Vader TIE Advanced X1. Real excited about this. One day I'm going to make this. It's from Bandai. Yes, and as I thought, the package did come damaged. Let's hope that the actual model itself is not damaged. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see. The package itself, if it wasn't damaged, is a really nice looking package from Bandai. Let's see, this one actually came out from Bandai a few years back, I believe. So this is not a new kit. This is an older one. I'm looking for the actual date on this, and I don't see it. But if you look at the craft details and the adjustable stand, this is a really nice little package here. Unfortunately, this side of the package was damaged. But look at the great detail on the packaging here. Darth Vader piloted this distinctive experimental TIE fighter above the first Death Star, using its blaster cannons and his uncanny abilities with the Force to blast rebel starfighters into glittering fragments. Great copy there, whoever wrote that. So you can see some of the cockpit and craft details on the side here. All right, and on the back, there's nothing there, just black. So let's go ahead and open this and see if it's damaged. Unfortunately, the package is. Let's hope that the model itself is not. All right. Very cool. It is not, doesn't look like it was damaged, and this is a Bandai kit, so this model comes ready to put together. Let's look at the instructions first. So here you have the full color instruction little booklet here, and this is Bandai number 0191407. And okay, Bandai 2017. So this is your 2017 TIE Advanced X1. Let's see what steps we're taking here. There's your part list. And beautiful painting color guide. Full color painting guide here for you. There are all the markings. Comes with Darth Vader. Really, really cool. Wondering what the first step is. Let's see. Will this let me open it? Oh, I see. There we go. All right. So now you have your first step, getting Darth into the cockpit there. I saw a technique on another video, I don't remember how long ago, but where the person building actually made the interior or painted the interior with a silver color, highlighting it with black. That way, you know, when you peeked into the interior, you could actually see the outline of the cockpit pilot. So I might try that technique with this. Although this is already molded in color, I may actually apply my own painting to it to kind of give it some depth. With these Bandai kits, you can definitely go get by without painting, but it sure does make it more authentic and adds a little more depth when you add some coloring, some shading, things like that. So there are your steps here. Yeah, so it adds some depth when you paint like that. All right, let's get into the parts here. And again, these are beautifully molded. You really don't have to paint this. Like I said earlier, this is a great beginner kit. You don't have to paint it at all. Wow, look at that. It's going to make it a little difficult for me to decide to paint all this because these are already molded the way they should be. Yeah, those are the wings there. Let's look at this other piece here. Here's some of the decals. These Bandai kits allow you to either do the water decals or stick-on decals, and of course you want to do water decals, which is another motivation to paint. I've done these kits where you just stick them on, you put them together and stick them on, but they just don't come out the same. Paint them, put the water decals, makes it more authentic looking. And this is just beautifully detailed. Look at all the detail on that. Yeah, you can use the wash on this and it'll come out really, really nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There's some more pieces here. Yeah, really good. Little detailed pieces here. And then here you go. We're going to get the the laser pieces to do the laser firing effect. Here's your stand. This can be painted up really nicely too with some wash effects. And of course, you've got the laser effect here that doesn't need to be painted, and good old Darth Vader. Wow. Very cool. You can this is a flat piece. It's not an actual figure, but the figure is right here sitting down. So, yeah. All right, my friends. If you're looking for a holiday gift for that Star Wars fan or the modeler fan in your life, I totally recommend this. I've built this model before. It would make an exciting, beautiful Christmas gift with the holidays coming up, or a birthday gift or whatever. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. But please don't forget to like and subscribe and share as you see fit. I appreciate all of you, and we'll see you in the next video.